guys, it's Alexis.
And Christian from Tiny House Expedition. What's going on? Welcome to Tiny Stuff, our product review series.
And if you've been following us for a while, then you know we've lived nomadically for years in our tiny house on wheels. But now we travel part-time in our shuttle bus.
It's right there.
And the thing they both have in common is the need for power.
Sure enough.
To run appliances, to power laptops, to charge camera batteries.
Yeah. All the things. We have so many things. And today, we're excited to share with you this bad boy right here.
It's the 70-mi Tera 1000 power station, and this baby is brand new. So new, in fact, it's not even on the market. It's on Indiegogo right now, so you can go over there and check it out to learn more. But today we're gonna give you a rundown of all the features and our feedback on what we think about it.
Yeah.
Right off the bat, what I dig about this is its sleek look, but more importantly, the compact design. It has a handle built in, so it's nice and smooth and can easily store away, unlike other models that have a handle that kind of sticks up top and makes it really difficult to kind of slide under stuff. And you know, space is limited in buses and vans and tiny houses, so the easier to stow, the better.
So this little guy is a little less than 12 inches cubed. So if you have space in something like a van, this is gonna fit really, really easily because, again, you can just slide it under because the handle's built into it. The Tera 1000 is just that. It is a 1000 watt-hour power station. It has a 1200 watt output and it includes a 2400 watt inverter. So if you have a spike in power at a startup, this will cover that.
Even with all that power output, it only generates about a third of the heat of competitor models.
That's a big deal when you're dealing with something like a van, because you don't want a ton of heat in a van, especially in the summertime, so that's a cool feature.
Competitor models mostly only use fans for cooling, but the Tera 1000 has an innovative, industry-first built-in ventilation system. So that enables quicker and quieter cooling down, which prevents overheating and, of course, less fan noise.
One of the cool things with Tera 1000 is it's packed full of ports. It has 10. Look at all these on the front. Look at them all. So it's got, down the bottom, it's got 3 AC ports, 2 USB-A, 2 USB-C, 2 DC 5521 ports, which I'm not exactly sure what they do, but if you know, leave a comment below and let me know, okay? And then 1 12-volt car port, which is like, you know, the cigarette lighter deal. So the Tera 1000 has a lot of ports, as you can see. And that means that you can plug in a whole bunch of stuff all at the same time.
The Tera 1000 has something called a full-color TFT display. Compared to competitor models, it shows more information than what you normally see. So like charging status, battery conditions, app connection, all kinds of stuff. One of the coolest things about this power station is that you can control it via your phone. How fancy is that?
Yeah, totally. So in the app is basically everything that you can do in this menu right here. So it's pretty rad.
You can turn it on, you can turn on the light, you can set a timer, you can change the charge modes, pretty much everything.
So there's 4 different ways to charge the Tera 1000. And one of them's with a household plug like this at home, or you can plug it into a generator and charge this guy up. You can also do a cigarette lighter like this that you plug into your car's power port. And you can connect it with a solar panel. And 70Mi makes a 100 watt solar panel that comes with 2 connectors, so you can actually connect 2 solar panels to this to get 200 watts of power into the Tera 1000 at once. And because of the connections, it's actually compatible with most solar panels.
So one thing you'll see is it's actually a pretty big panel. It folds out, it's got a little kickstand, so that's handy, and it's only about 11 pounds. It's a monocrystalline 100 watt panel.
Most solar panels are not 100% efficient, And this solar panel gets between 73 and 78 watts in direct sunlight.
And it takes about 6 hours to charge the power station up to full capacity.
Oh, and another cool feature of the solar panel is on the back, it's got 2 ports to charge your phone, a USB-C and a USB. So how cool is that? You can go directly from the sun into the solar panel and put power into your phone. So when we're on the road, we do filming all the time. So we're constantly charging so many different batteries for lights, for cameras, for the drone. And the Tera 1000 helps with all of that, mostly because of all these ports. It's got so many ports on it.
It's true. And comfort is a big thing on the road too. So we like to use it for a fan to help us sleep at night. And very importantly, to power our little fridge cooler. And it does a great job. It will charge it for about 14 hours, give or take. So I appreciate how easy it is to carry the Tera 1000 around. It's got a very ergonomic handle, and it's also pretty lightweight. It's about 27 pounds.
And that's crazy light for a 1,000-watt power station? Holy cow.
But when you're carrying a power station around, accidents can happen. I tend to be a little clumsy. Okay, that's enough. That's enough from the peanut gallery over here. Okay, it's true. I'm clumsy, but you know, stuff happens. But that's what makes the Tera 1000 extra cool. Unlike any other competitor on the market, this thing has extreme durability.
Extreme!
It has an industry-first 2-layer design with an inner galvanized steel framework, which allows it to absorb the impact of drops and is shock resistant too. And on top of all that, it can handle extreme temperatures.
Yeah, which is great, because we're gonna take a snowboard trip this winter up to Canada where it's colder than the United States, right?
That's what I hear.
That's what I heard. So the Tera 1000 has a patented 2-in-1 inverter, and that's for charging, and the inverter's on the inside. So you notice this cord, right? It's just a regular old cord right here, right? Instead of one like this that has the inverter inside the middle of it. See, like,
so bulky.
This is such a pain in the neck to travel around with, and the cords are always really, really long. So I will take this any day over this.
The other great thing about that 2-in-1 inverter is this 2-hour fast recharge capability. So first of all, it can charge up to 80% capacity in just 1 hour, but can be fully charged in 2 hours using AC power.
And that's super sweet, just because, you know, think about you're going on a camping trip and you just forgot to charge it for whatever reason. So right before you leave, when you get up in the morning, you can actually plug this thing in while you're loading the car, and it'll more than likely be charged when you're ready to go. So another thing that the Tera 1000 has is pass-through charging. So what that means is if you are wall charging the Tera 1000 and also have something plugged in to the other side, the electricity will pass through the Tera 1000 and out into whatever it is you're charging. So it's not degrading the battery over time, where if the power was going straight to the battery and then to whatever you had plugged in, it would actually count towards the degradation of your battery.
Which is what most other power stations do. So you might have noticed there are a lot of power stations on the market these days.
Oh yeah.
But I think all in all, the Tera 1000 really sets itself apart with these cool extra features, especially that durability. I kind of think that's everything.
I kind of think, yeah, I kind of think the app. I like the app, that you can do all of the stuff from the app and you can lay in bed and turn it off or whatever you need to do. I like that.
Yeah, I like lazy things. Other neat things that set it apart is it's less expensive than most other comparable power stations, and it comes with a 2-year warranty.
Oh, that's a big deal. 2 years, that's big. That's a really big deal.
It's a pretty long time.
Yeah.
So like we said at the beginning, the Tera 1000 is not on the market. This is a special sneak peek review, but it is available through their Indiegogo at a massive discount. So if you're interested, go check it out. We'll leave the link in the description below. You can get the power station or the power station and the solar panel for 40% off now, but only through their Indiegogo. Thank you for watching our video and for stopping by Tiny House Expedition. I'm Alexis.
And I'm Christian. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
And for more tiny home tours and stories, click the videos below.
And join us on Instagram for bonus content,
including face-to-face conversations with us. We hope to see you there.
All right.
Thanks, guys.
Have a good one.